Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix iOS 18 update is not showing up. Probably you have one big problem, and that is your Wi-Fi or your mobile network connection. So keep that in mind. For now we go to General, Software Update, and we will look if the update is popping up just right here. I already downloaded it. But if it's not popping up, please make sure that you turn on iOS updates. This is the first way how we can fix this. Because right now, when we put our phone in the loader and we have strong Wi-Fi connection, he will automatically update the iOS to the newest version. Alright, the other way, so the second solution, is go back, scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then from here click on Reset and then click on Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind, this is just your network settings, not other files on your phone. It's just about your Wi-Fi or your mobile network. Fill in your passcode, and once you did that, you go back, delete the Settings app, then go back to Settings app, go to General, Software Update, and now it has to pop up just right here. When it won't, please let me know it in the comments so I can help you out from there. When you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.